Happy 2024, everyone. It's a very wet start to the year down here. It's been raining for about 5 hours. You can see the creek over it, and we need the water. What do they say? Watch the water. This little river is just formed. It's like a little sort of gutter thing, but it's not normally a river. Got another one down here. Water everywhere, man. 2024, watch the water. Alright guys, I've just come down to the creek. Got back yesterday and we had a lot of rain, and that's the bridge. So the water is right up, well, covering the bridge, as you can see, almost entirely. Normally, well, last time I came down, there would have been a couple of metres. It's gone up like 2 or 3 metres. So it used to be a little creek, now it's a river. So we had like a lot of rain in a short period, and of course this is all being filled by all the other rivers and tributaries. So it'll probably be running like this for a couple of days, I guess, but just thought I'd show you that. That's the creek. And I'm here with Sherlock. Say hello, Sherlock. Oh, what are you doing? Hey, he is, where are you? There you are. He is a German Shepherd puppy. He's a purebred. He's Charlie's, and we've had him about just over a week. We got him, well, not we. I'm the surrogate owner, the surrogate puppy father. But yeah, we got him on Christmas Eve. And I'm looking after him for a whole week, in a week's time. Just you and me, Sherlock. Sherlock! Sherlock! Show on your cute puppy face! Sherlock! Sherlock! No, he's too much of a puppy.